Use the Help Options command to display ActiveData program settings. Here you can control whether ActiveData sorts a sheet when the user clicks on the column name in row 1, whether to confirm that sort, whether or not double-clicking on a cell tags a row, the automatic update frequency in days, and various other settings. For example, whether or not clicking on the Revert button will cause you to be prompted. The Revert command discards all changes and reloads the workbook from disk. There are also a couple of menu options that you can change. Same thing for the tag options. There's a separate video on tagging elsewhere on the website. And the troubleshooting options, we use these on some support calls to create logs so we can find out what's going on internally.